If you want to open a zero balance account in UAE, Mashreq Neo might not be what you think. In this video, I'll show you how to open your Mashreq Neo account. We'll discuss the real fees, the minimum balance requirement, whether it's a zero balance account or not. We will also discuss other zero balance account options in UAE if this bank account doesn't suit you. So, let us first look at the steps of opening your Mashreq Neo bank account online. It is very easy, guys. Simply download the Mashreq Neo mobile banking app. Okay? Scan your Emirates ID. Complete selfie verification. Fill in your salary and residence address details. Then wait for your account approval. I'll leave the detailed video on the screen somewhere. You will also be able to get a free Mashreq debit card. Everything is easy, chap, but one very important point is the minimum salary requirement. Even if your salary is below 5,000 dirhams, you will still be able to open this account. The trick is very simple. You have to select a salary range of 5,000 to 10,000 dirhams. Yes, speaking from personal experience, that's how I've seen many people open this account, even if their salary is 3,000 or even 2,000. Is Mashreq Neo really a zero balance account? And if it's not a zero balance account, what is the minimum average balance requirement? And if you don't maintain this minimum balance, how much fees are you going to be charged monthly? This is where things get really interesting. Currently, Mashreq Neo no longer offers a zero balance account, and the minimum balance requirement for the Mashreq Neo savings and current account is 3,000 dirhams calculated on a monthly basis. If you don't maintain 3,000 dirhams every month on average, be ready to pay 26 dirhams point 25 fils. This is the minimum balance fall below fees everyone must pay. 26 dirhams point 25 fils, oh boy, that's a lot of money. 315 dirhams in a year. So the only thing you can do to avoid paying this fall below fees is transferring your salary to your Mashreq account. This looks like the solution, but again, your salary must be 5,000 dirhams or more. Now this creates a bigger problem because most of us, our salary is really small. With a small salary, there are just only 3 bank accounts that you can open right now in UAE that won't require a minimum balance without any hidden charges. They are completely free and completely zero balance. Bank number 1 is the Ria Bank. Bank number 2 is the Sharjah Islamic Bank, and then the M Bank zero balance account. These 3 banks will let you open a zero balance account even if your salary is just 1,000 dirhams. If you want to learn more about these banks, I have a detailed video. You can start watching it right now as I guide you step by step to open your zero balance account.